All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. All right, guys, big day today. All right, we've got NFP. All right, really big day. We're gonna get our moves, and I have someone at the door, so I'm gonna be back in just a minute. All right, give me a quick second, you guys. Sorry about that. Zoe goes crazy every time someone's at the door, but it's all good now, right? So NFP, you guys, big day, all right? Big day. Let's see. We've got nothing definitive going on as of now. We do have our levels marked. I am going to quickly share my screen with you guys. Okay, so I hope you all can see my screen. We've got about 8 minutes to news, 7 minutes to news. All right, and this is what we're looking at. Okay, so we have barcoding going on with the dirty as of right now. We break past here. We're going to look to obviously go down and possibly break our 4-8 support and our daily support. And if we break past above our hourly support, we're looking to get into possible buys up here. Okay. I am slightly more inclined towards the buys. It's one of those days today, you guys. Anything could happen, especially this month's been funny. NFP usually happens on the first Friday of every month, but because this March we have five Fridays, and that's why they've decided to hold it on today. Okay, so let's see. It is going to be a little weird, and trust me when I say this, it's going to be very volatile. We can take it easy. We don't need to trade the first candle. We can wait, and we will find our moves. All right, I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, I'll get to the chat in a minute, you guys. Okay, let's take a look at gold as well. Solid sell-offs potentially beginning to happen in on gold. I like the sells on gold down here. All right, we could go to test that area, and I like the buys on gold, naturally above our daily resistance. We could go to maybe test the psychological. I'm just giving a small TP. You guys know it's gonna push through. Okay, guys, listen also. The ones on the funded accounts, please trade extremely small today. I don't want y'all coming to me and telling me that it was crazy. It was this. You guys have traded NFP enough times to know that the funded account brokers, they can completely screw you over. Okay, so if you're with an individual broker, you're going to be fine. You will catch a higher spread, but it's not going to be as bad. But the ones on the funded, trade it absolutely, but just trade 1/10 your position size. Okay, I mean it. So whatever your normal lot is, divided by 10. All right, and that's what you want to be trading, because the move's also going to be bigger, right? Trade with the intention of learning and not with the intention of clearing your account with one trade. All right, that's all I'm trying to say. Just take it easy. All right, trading news in these red folders is a completely different art altogether. Okay, and sometimes it's just better than others. All right, so let's please be careful, and remember 1/10 of your original position size. Okay, let's take a quick look at the RSI. Let's look at the RSI here as well. Similar. All right, so the RSI is pretty much the same all throughout the board. All right, so I'm gonna have some orders set up. Let's be a little safer, okay, you guys? Sorry, I was just looking at this closely. Let's be a little safer, and let's have the dirty down here on the break of our 4H. Okay, let's give price some room to breathe in case it wants to breathe. We don't need to enter into anything prematurely. Okay, let's take a look at gold. All right, let's have Some supply up there. Okay, awesome. And we're coming into some pretty choppy demand down here, okay? But if we break the 4-8 support, we're definitely tanking at least to the daily. Okay, that's a good 40 pip move sitting right there. Okay, so we're ready for price to go either or. I have set up some orders as of right now. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope the stream is okay. Do you all hear me, guys? All okay? Good. All right, so I have set up some orders. This market may sell off to begin with, all right? That's a very, there's a good chance that that could happen. But I am not going to have any orders for any sort of sells, okay? If I'm going to get in on sells, they're going to be instant executions looking at what price is doing currently in that moment, okay? But I will have some orders for the buys, all right? Above there. All right, look at that. Gold's starting to really sell off now, okay? We break that on gold and we're going to frickin' tank. We've got 2 minutes to NFP, you guys. 2 minutes to NFP. What do you guys want to look at for NFP? Do you all want to look at gold or do you all want to look at the indices? Let me know quick, you guys. We've got about a minute and a half to go. Indices, of course. Indices. All right. Indices. I am seeing more indices than gold. All right. So the indices it is, okay? The gold's going to have a move as well. All right, let's see how we react here. If we if we successfully hold support here, then we're going to push right back up, okay? Okay, so you guys know where my bias is and where my orders are. This is how I trade news, okay? So if things want to come in for a liquidity grab or it wants to go against us, then I'm not going to get triggered in with my orders. I'm just going to wait and watch for price to do its thing, and then I'll take a trade accordingly, okay? Because the truth is not every candle needs to be traded, all right? Especially not on a day like today. Okay, so we've got about 30 seconds to news. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's have a good one, okay? Okay. 15 seconds, guys. The markets are starting to get super volatile. I will get triggered on the dirty if we happen to break that, okay? So, news in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is NFP. Okay, they went super bullish. All right, look at that, guys. Okay, and down, okay? Crazy liquidity grab. I got triggered in on this. Good thing that I had a really tiny position set up, but this is what NFP can do, all right? Let them go in. I'm still holding this, and I'm up. I'm in profit right now. I'm going to quickly change this to break even, guys. I'm not messing around with this, okay? 32205. I'm running big time now, okay? 32205. Okay. So I am in a break even trade and I'm running by about 5,000-6,000 at this point. Very rangy. Too much volatility, okay? But I am in a risk-free trade. I need you guys to realize that. Risk-free trade. All right? I'm up and I'm running, you guys. I'm up by 15 grand right now and it's climbing. Come on, let's break that daily resistance. Guys, I've put myself in a risk-free position, okay? If this wants to flicker back on me, it can and I will be okay. All right, so wait for it. I'm still up by 16, 17,000, 20,000. I just touched the 20K mark and there you go. 25 grand. I'm up by 25 grand on the dirty right now. Okay, come on, let's do this, you guys. 30,000! I just touched 32,000 and counting, and this is fucking flying, you guys. 38,000. Oof, okay. 39,000, 40. I just touched 40. I'm pulling this out right now. Boom! Who caught NFP with me? Let's fucking go, you guys. That was insane. They had that dirty initial pop. I got freaking scared. I kid you not. Good thing I was in with just a Corolla. I was in with a small position. I saw the retracement. My trading view was slower than my MetaTrader. I was watching my MetaTrader, and when I started to see my Corolla go up by about 15-20 pips, that's when I entered in with a big ass position. And oh gosh, I'm shivering. Okay. All right, so I closed 31,800 on this fucking trade. I'm done for March, you guys. I am done for all of March. This is ridiculous. Who caught that with me? Man, that early wick was so dirty. Yep, trust me. That's the reason I told you guys 1/10 of your position. If y'all would have gotten in with 1/10 of your position, I can guarantee you, you wouldn't have blown your accounts. You wouldn't have lost anything. All right, listen, guys. I can give you all the analysis, okay? I even told y'all, the risk management is up to y'all, but I told y'all 1/10 of your position. All right, did you guys grab that? I want to see W's in the chat. Who caught either of the indices? Who caught that? Who caught that? Who caught that? I want to fucking see it. Cash, where you at? Cash. Bro, Damien, demo, no demo, it don't matter, okay? Because you're learning the strategy, and that's what matters at the end of the day. Insane, you guys. I got scared, not gonna lie, so just watch. That's the right thing to do, camper. All right, 100%, man. When you're not confident, you don't get in. It's simple. And if you wanted to test it out, of course, 1/10 of your position would have done it for you guys, okay? 0.01, good. Wonder how much Cash banked. Where is Cash? Is she on the stream? Look at that, alright? So they're still pushing high. This technically is still an indecision candle, okay? But like we said, the buys had to come in, right? Now they could fill these imbalances, of course, and do like they want to, right? But there was a reason that I moved this box, which was here, down here, all right? Because if the sells really want to kick in, we need a break structure based off of the neckline coming into this pattern, all right? So that was my reasoning for changing the sells down here, and turns out that was the right move, okay? So we didn't get baited in on this. Millzone, how was that for you, bro? Did you catch it? Did you not trade it? What's happening? Are you on the call? Good. I'm glad, alright? I'm glad you didn't touch it. For real, okay? But you could have gone well with 1/10, like I said. If you guys are taking $10, $1 would have been fine, okay? Because even if you would have gotten caught on that liquidity grab for $109, that's $1 into 109, all right? I promise you, that shouldn't have hurt any account size, be it a 5K account, be it a 10K account, or be it a 100K account, all right? So I hope you guys have learned that about trading news, okay? Not every candle needs to be trading. Needs to be traded. They selling, well, not exactly. This could just be a little bit of a retest, okay? We can come down to retest half of this candle. All right, so we could possibly retest half of that candle as well. And this could be a continuation, all right? If we pick up support from here and if we start to break past and create higher highs, we're looking at a nice solid continuation. I need to send a freaking picture to you guys of my trade. All right, I need to do this, okay? I need to flex a little. I'm sorry. All right, but this is fucking insane. All right? This should motivate you guys. This should, for real, motivate you guys. And you guys should know that if I can do it, any of you guys can, okay? Give me a second. Fucking hell, you guys. What a day. What a day. I could literally just take the whole week off. Not like I would do that. Because you guys are my fam, and I'm here to teach you guys what we teach you with the Forex strategy, but just saying. I'm done. This was good. Look at the solid rejection coming in on gold as well. All right, they're still holding some support over here. What a move, you guys. What a freaking day. I love it. I love it. I love it. Sorry, you guys. I hope I wasn't cut off for too long. It's still my internet, you guys. Still being a little wonky. Okay, so I'm sending out my position to y'all, okay? That's what I caught. Beautiful, sexy, 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 sexy move. All right, I wish we had some music to go along with this. Would have fucking hell. I'm such an idiot, right? I ended up posting that on my channel. I'd love to hear Mill sing. I'd love to hear Mill sing. All right, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Whew, that was something, huh? Pretty intense. I understand why a lot of people would have gotten scared with that flicker, but that's why I told you guys 1/10. All right, just 1/10. Buff, how was this for you, brother? How was this for you? Did you catch it? Got whipsawed? Why is that? Please tell me you got in with 1/10 of your goddamn position, man. That's a mistake you've made, brother. Stops both. We've had this conversation earlier, man. Millzone, what about you? What about you? Guys, y'all should never, ever, ever put stops going both ways. Please, I have made this extremely clear to y'all. You guys can't be making the same amateur mistakes again and again and again and again and again. Like, I kid you all not. That is an absolute recipe for disaster, you guys. All right, Millzone, you didn't trade. Um, good, good, okay. Hard breach detected. Fucking hell. Why? Why though? Why? 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 Uh, Buff, bro, you really, really, really need to stop using these orders. You know, my suggestion is just stop using orders. Like, all in all, use market instant executions. When I used the order today, I set a rule for myself, right? Out of the discipline that I built, I told you guys, I announced it to y'all, that my orders will only and only be set up for the buys, and I'm going to be in with 1/10 of what a normal position size would be. All right, and I didn't. If the cells had to come in, or when the cells come in, they would have been market instant executions for me. We need to put together these things so that we're not making these amateur mistakes, man. You guys have been trading with me long enough to know this by now. Made the pips on Nasdaq. Thanks, Cram. Finally got on the stream. Got to make it for NFP for sure. There's always another move to trade. Absolutely. Guys, 1 second. Buff, not to put you on the spot though, buddy, but did you use 1/10 of your position? I do want to know that even if you did get caught both ways, um, even if you did get caught both ways, do you get, were you over leveraging? No stop losses. With all of our trades, we usually use a 10 to 20 pip stop loss. That's the minimum that you need to scalp these markets. But for news, you get in with really tiny positions and your spreads could really, really screw you over, which is why hard stop losses may just get slipped. It's called slippage. 50 bucks a pip? Are you normally using 500 a pip for your Lambos, buddy? There you go, man. You see what went wrong over there, buddy? You got in on the impulse. Listen, this is not just, I'm sorry if I'm putting you on the spot, my man. You know, I 100% appreciate you. You're one of our OGs, and of course, you're Millzone's friend, so you're mine. And but I just wanna put it out there for everyone that's just joined us, or that hasn't exactly started trading on a live account with us yet, right? Um, um, we want to be more careful, okay? Listen to what I'm saying when it comes to the money management side of things, because sometimes NFP is more volatile than other times of NFP. All right. I knew for a fact that today was going to be kind of crazy. Okay. Which is why I told you guys at the start of the session 1/10 of your position. Okay. Now, these mistakes happen. These things happen. I don't want it to dishearten you. I know it hasn't disheartened you yet. But listen, man, take it like a man. There's always another day. There's always another trade. And just take it like a man or a woman. My bad. I don't want to be biased in any way, but just it is what it is, okay? And learn from your mistakes, pick up the pieces, and move on. All good, brother. You're not 12th account next week, man. Hey, I won't stop. We're running out of mistakes. Yep, I agree. I agree. Listen, these markets, they've got their way of humbling you, right? And I'd be lying if I said that I was born the trader that I am today, because that's not true. All right, ask Cash. I have had my first 2 years trading were horrible. Okay, when I say horrible, I legit mean it. I lost a shit ton of money. I lost money that I didn't have, and those were some really really hard times. Okay, but I've always been hungry for information, and I've always been a very very stubborn human being. I always do what I intend on doing, right? I wanted to learn trading. I learned trading. I wanted to marry my wife. I married my wife, right? I'm a very stubborn person, okay? So I stuck with it. It took me 2 long, solid years of grinding and 2 years of learning, getting as much information as I possibly can from any source that I possibly could. And when I had all that information, there was even a good amount of time where I couldn't make sense of it. I couldn't put two and two together. I couldn't piece the puzzle together, right? But one day, after I'd spent enough time on these charts, something switched in my brain. Something cracked. We came up with the 4X strategy. My wife joined me on this journey that's now our journey. And two brains are better than one, and it all just started to come together. Everything started to make sense, and the rest is history, okay? So the point that I'm trying to make is you need to put in the discipline, all of you guys, okay? Because the only thing that's going to differentiate us from the retail traders is when we have a strategy and when we have the right money and risk management, okay? So please, let's keep this in mind moving forward. Good old-fashioned whipsaw. I've seen the man cry. It takes time and patience. Oh, yes. She has, trust me. And I'm hard like a rock, you guys. I kid you not. Cash is the emotional one. I barely cry. She's been the only one that's seen that side of me, and a lot of it has been because of trading. But it's also what's changed our lives, so it's all worth it. So nice of you to share your story, Krem. Well, that's the thing, right? The reason we're here, buddy, is just so that you guys don't have to have it as hard as we did. And we're always here to help you guys. We're building a freaking empire over here with forex trading for you guys, right? And we're gonna only make this better and better and better and better for y'all. And you know what the best part of all of this is? As our brand grows, me and Cash and all of us collectively as a group, we're all gonna get better as traders. It's just that the better traders we are, the better forex is gonna do, and vice versa. So we found ourselves in a really, really, really good spot, and we're here to help you all in any way that we can. Okay, because we're looking for that army of millionaires, and we're building up to it. All right, but you need to experience the downfall before you can really, really start to fly. Okay, guys. Now these markets are ranging. Okay, so the move was definitely bullish. We had a bearish liquidity grab come both ways on the indices, All right, so on both the indices, but the move so far, the initial pop has been bullish. Okay, so now we need to see if we're going to create higher highs or if we're going to build some support up here. Same story with the dirty. Let's take a look at gold. Gold went super bullish. They're still holding the trend. They're still trying to possibly push up. We need to realize that there is probably some resistance that's going to kick in. Okay, so what does this tell me? This tells me that there's a good chance that the overall move that's going to happen on market open, and we are going to have a big move on market open, is probably going to be bearish. Okay, so you guys remember what happened yesterday with the indices, right? We caught the bullish move, but then the second we were done with the session, the market started to sell off and sell off hard, right? So we need to be considerate that those things could happen. Patiently waited and got that continuation on gold. Congratulations, man. Cheers. What is this? The farmers move, non-farm payroll. So this is basically everything except the agricultural sector, and it's directly related to inflation. You should rather leave some for us. NFPS will play. Patience is key for sure. Absolutely. Okay, so the continuations on gold could possibly be happening. And okay, guys, by the way, I've got some news for y'all. Okay, how many people do we have on the session right now? Probably about 40-50 people. Okay, so for the first time ever, forex trading is hiring. Okay, we're looking we're looking for editors. Yeah, we're looking for content creators and editors that are gonna help us whip up our content. We have just get in touch with us, okay? We need someone who's also gonna be passionate about trading, someone from our stream, someone from our community, because we want to give you guys a chance to grow with us, okay? And we're not looking for someone for a one-off sort of a thing. We're looking for someone to grow with forex trading, okay? So spread the news in your circle, or if anyone from the one-on-one sessions or the existing community is already an editor, then please get in touch with me and Millzone, and we'll work things out, all right? And this is a nice paid gig, so if you're looking for some extra bucks and you're going to be looking to learn with us at Forex Trading, then, and you're an editor, of course, then hit us up, okay? Forex growing, we're just getting started. Guys, listen, all the editors on here, message me, okay? I'm going to review everything. Y'all know me, I don't check my DMs at all, but this one, I personally am going to be talking with y'all, and me and Millzone, we'll create a group chat with you guys, and we'll work it out, okay? Okay, continuations pushing through. Guys, whoever said they I know how to use Firestar paid gigs I can edit. Message me, buddy, message me. Back at it next week. Cheers, Buff, my man. Take it easy. Don't let this bother you, okay? Is there resistance up there on NAS? Yes, there is. Definitely some supply coming in over here, okay? Yep, higher time frame spaces, right? Higher time frame supply coming right there. Yes, 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 Damien. Will do. Okay. All right, let's take an overview of everything that's happening. All right, so we haven't tapped our bearish areas yet. Gold, very, very, very bullish. Looks like the continuation wants to come, but look at that, you guys. Very, very overbought, okay? Now, that being said, we could still continue to push up and still be even more overbought than we are, but we'll see. Okay, and let's take a look at the RSI here. All right, again, overbought, but we could push. Overbought, down, but maybe the reversals are gonna start on the dirty. All right. Let's take a look at what oil. Ooh, do we miss oil or what? Damn it, was oil the move, you guys? Was oil the move? Look at that. What the hell is that? I should have charted oil, huh? I even had it open. I thought I'm gonna chart it, but I was running out of time. All right. Nice flag, potential flag pattern that would have come into our zone, built into a solid pennant as well, broke to the upside, and it was a fake flag, and the bullish moves now pushed in. All right, so we broke 75, we broke 76, we're attempting to break 76.3, and next stop, if we start to break, is right there at the neckline, okay? So we're looking at about 76.6. Nice moves on oil, you guys. Nice moves. 5-star DM'd you. Thanks, buddy. I'll get back to you after the session, okay? How much was that? The move? It's pretty solid, buddy. Pretty freaking solid, huh? Okay, guys, listen, I most certainly am not going to be staying for market open just because y'all know why. I'm done, all right, and I don't want to be stressing out more on these markets. Are you guys going to be trading market open, or are y'all done? Because if y'all are done, trust me when I say this. If you made a successful even $100, which could be a feeler trade on NFP, just you don't need to trade market open, all right? Because these markets are gonna. It's a Friday. It's NFP. These markets are gonna continue to be choppy, all right? So we got our move. We got the move we were looking for. We were looking for the buys, and we caught it flush, all right? So we wanna put a full stop to that, and at least I know I want to, okay? Done for the day. Done. No, I'm done. Okay, good. Just waiting for the session to end. Well, I'm going to end it real soon. Got to trade the funded, so yeah, I will. All right, cheers, man. But please be careful, Space. You know it, all right? Please be careful. Stick with 1/10 of your position. We'll be aware of the choppiness. Will be coming in Monday and Friday is a no for me. Monday, Friday, and NFP, bro. And NFP. Fridays can be dirty and nasty. I love it, the fool. I like that. Chaos Dog, peace out, man. Alright, guys, so listen. This is what we do here at Forex, okay? Literally, we came on. The stream has been on for 33 minutes. We caught the move in like the first 15, and we were done for the day. Alright, I was chilling with you guys, which is why we stayed for about 15-20 minutes longer. But literally, we were done. Quick day at the office, 15 minutes, and we're pretty happy. Pretty happy. This week has been pretty intense, I'm not gonna lie. We've seen some crazy profits. Our accounts are really happy this week, and let's hope that next week's gonna be better. All right, let's hope that we get some sort of movement, some sort of nice movement that prices that's gonna respect levels, and let's try and just be able to bank off of that next week. And listen, whatever happens in these markets, you guys need to realize that there's always going to be another day. Okay, psychology is a big chunk of trading. Trust me when I say this. If you guys are not going to be in the right mindset, it's disastrous, because then you're going to be emotionally trading. You're either going to be greedy or you're going to be fearful, and it's just going to get harder, and that's why 99% of retail traders fail. How are you going to be successful when, one, you have a strategy to follow, and two, you have the right money and risk management for your particular account? Okay, trust me, when you have these two pieces of the puzzle, only then can you achieve the third piece of the puzzle, which is psychology. And the culmination of these three pieces is what's going to make you a profitable trader, all right? So, listen, I want Millzone. This is the part that needs to be edited into today's video, what I just said, okay? But it's crazy, all right? You need to stick at it. You need to accept the losses, pick it up, and move on and get profits, because the only ones that make it in this game are the ones that don't stop pushing themselves, okay? Get out of your comfort zone. And like I say, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? So you rather, you could sit on the sidelines and chill, or you could put in the work, learn from your mistakes, move on from there, and become part of that army. All right, so listen, I want you guys to go on to Forex Academy. Go on to Forex Academy if you're new here, and we have videos up there that'll put you up to speed on how to trade our setups, and we do this as a free service for y'all. Okay, there is no other group that's going to give you guys this much value and information for absolutely free. Okay, there's only one thing that we ask for in return, and those are Twitter posts. Okay, so please just go on to Twitter, and if you traded NFP, it doesn't matter if you traded a paper account, it doesn't matter if you traded $100, $1,000, $10,000, or a freaking $1 million account, but as long as you made some profits, or you got some value out of the session, you learned something new that you didn't know before this session, then just go on and put on a Twitter post for us, okay? And make sure to tag Cram, Cash, and Project Whitelist, okay? Tag us, and let's just help us get some eyes to what we're doing over here, okay? Because best believe in the next couple of months, you're going to hear Forex trading every single where. All right, you guys, so this was a crazy session. Also, editors, please reach out to me. We need to figure something out over this weekend. Just make sure to DM me, okay? And we'll take it from there. I really appreciate all of you guys. Have a great rest of the week. Excuse me. If I'm not wrong, the timings next week are going to change. Okay, so I'm going to get confirmation on this and update you guys over the weekend. But I do believe that we're going to have a little bit of a timing change with the stream. So I will keep you guys updated on that. And we'll maybe throw on a schedule or something of that sort for you guys, so it becomes easier. But have a great weekend, you guys, and enjoy your profits, okay? I know I'm certainly going to enjoy mine. I'm going to have a nice holidays, and let's get it done. All right, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, wherever it is, wherever you are, and I will catch you guys on Monday. All right, so I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, fam. Have a good one.